So today we'll take a look at how you can change the volume of a video in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty simple, so all we have here is our video on our timeline, just a project I have open, and we're just going to look at changing the volume of this first clip, the one we've highlighted in red right here on the timeline. If we go up to our inspector panel up here and we click audio, you can see the current volume of this is 0 decibels. Now the easiest way to change that is just by clicking on the volume here. Let's say we just want to make it 10, we just type in 10, hit enter, and as you can see our waveform grew bigger because we changed the decibels. You can also move it around by moving this little slider here. I don't really like this, I prefer to find where I like my numbers and just type them in that way. Another thing you can do is you can also set in keyframes so you can set volume over time. So if we show you that now, if we press the little diamond icon next to the 10, you'll see how it's gone red, and if we click this drop down here, you can slightly see, it's probably very small on your screen, it's a very slight dot. And let's say we move this to the middle, and I just want to drop the volume down, just mute that. I want to drop this volume down to -10, and I click that, we move the playhead slightly. You can now see we have these 2 points joined together, and that's just going to slowly drop the volume over time. And if we click in the middle like here, you can see that we have our volume dropping. It's not at a constant and just drops, it is here then drops. So we move it up a bit, you can see now it's 3.4. Another thing you can do is you can also move these markers around on the timeline. You can move them up and you can move them down like that. And that's really the best way to change your volume in DaVinci Resolve. One tip is always make sure that your playhead is right at the end when you set the volume for a video, so it does the whole video in that volume. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.